Hi everyone, it's Dave Kraus, your fearless TTL. Just making a quick video for you guys dealing with Google Docs. You take a look at my screen and know that you guys need to upload or get into your Google Drive, and I'll show you guys how to publish documents to the web. If you're using a website still, that's a fantastic tool because you can easily embed your Google Docs, be it Google Slides, be it Google Spreadsheets, or just traditional Google Docs. You can embed them on your Weebly, your Wix, your Google site, and easily share information with your kiddos. And the idea of sharing information with your kiddos and making it easier, it takes advantage of updating a document in one spot and it automatically does it everywhere else. If you're not using a website, the next best solution is to use a Google shortener, which is what I will end my video with. Let's get started. So you're in your website. I like to share agendas with my students via Google Drive. So I'm going to pull up this one right here. One little thought. Notice I like to organize my agendas by month. Currently, that's the strategy I like. Started one for today, one for tomorrow. And so now I'm ready to put this on my website or put this out on the web for the students to find. It's really easy. I just need to find File. I'm going to look for Publish to the Web. This is again how I'm going to get a link if that's all you're needing, but I also want to embed. I like to leave these with the defaults, makes it a little easier. So I'm going to click the embed code, and it looks like you would just click the Publish button down here at the bottom, but I already have. Let's see if I can get that embed code. There it is. So you just click on it once, and it should highlight everything. If it doesn't, keyboard shortcuts, Control+A is to select all, and then Control+C is to copy. So now with that copied, I'm going to go to my Weebly, and Wix is very similar. I'm on Design. Oops. Excuse me, Build. This is my home page. On a website, I like to scroll down, and I'd like to add my daily agendas. It was doing it with a different technique last time, but at this time, I'm going to do the embedding trick. Drop this in. Give it a second to load. It's pretty quick and easy. Edit custom HTML. So you can tell everybody you're a programmer. You'll notice it's highlighted in blue. I'm going to hit paste. Keyboard shortcut Control+V is also the same as right-clicking and selecting paste. Now that I'm done, just click out. One more thought I forgot to do. I need to go back to my calendar. It's published to the web. I also want to share and make sure it's shareable link. Anyone can view, and click done. So now I should be able to go back to the web. Give it a second to load. So I'm going to publish it. And lo and behold, my kiddos can now find a pretty detailed version of the spreadsheet. I'll pull up my website here quickly so you guys can see it. The neat thing about embedding the Google Slides or spreadsheet or a Word doc is that you can embed links. So if I go back to my last month's, I'll pull this up and show you guys just examples, just a couple of quick ones where you throw in some links. So the kids have been taught that these are all clickable things they can do to learn about whatever it is they did in class or to revisit it. So neat tool. Just one more thing to show you guys before it's show you the final product published on the web is how to get a short URL address, because if I go back to this November thing and go to the publish to the web, you'll notice that URL is entirely too long. So just click on it, hit Control+C, and there's a really neat tool for getting short URLs. And this shorter URL you could type on your board. Notice there's a period interrupting the normal Google.com. I'm going to make sure I sign in. And I can actually keep track of all of the URLs. And it looks like people have already started clicking on some things I've shared this week. Paste in my super long URL, right, with Control-C, or excuse me, Control-V is paste. Control C is copy. And then there you go. There's my shortened URL I can write on the board for kiddos to type in on any device they have so that they can find the agenda if I'm not embedding it on a website. So to review, wanted to give you guys an easy way to share agendas or documents with your students. If you're using a website, it's as easy as go to File, Publish to the Web, and find the embed code right here next to the link. Copy and paste that. Go to your Wix, your Weebly, your Google site. Look for the embed code function, and then paste this code down here in the bottom. Paste it in, and then you're off to the races. Otherwise, you can use this link, copy it, paste it into a Google URL shortener, and that way you keep track of how many clicks you get and see that your kiddos are looking or not, as it is tough to encourage that digital citizenship. This has been Mr. Kraus, Dave, your fearless TTL, giving you guys some tips, advice on using Google Drive, Google Docs, to keep your kiddos informed. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next school day.